Check out this GMC 2012 Terrain SLT-2. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are chrome exterior appearance package, preferred equipment group 4SB, 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, AM/FM stereo WCD player, CD player, MP3 decoder, radio data system and radio, AM/FM stereo WCD GPS navigation system. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.